Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Are we done with cargo trailer camping? Nah, we're not. We still have Big Red sitting there, and we still plan to use Big Red. But we did recently purchase a new to us Rockwood Mini Lite 2509S. It's a 26-foot trailer, somewhere around there. And it is a bunk model that has a Murphy bed, and it has a ton of room on the inside. And we thought maybe we could use this on trips where we're going to state parks and we're going to places that have smaller sites, and it would work to our advantage. Sometimes Big Red is a little too big. Not too red though. We like the red. But the big part, it really gets tricky when you get in some state parks, especially with the long bed truck. So anyway, we decided maybe we should purchase something smaller. We could use that sometimes, and then use Big Red when we want to take toys along. But to help offset the cost of our Rockwood Mini Lite, we have decided that we're going to rent this thing out. There are going to be random videos posted to our channel about how to use different parts of the trailer, and all of those are going to be in the guide that we leave inside of our trailer. So if you check out our channel one day and you see a bunch of random videos on how to use a camper, that's exactly what it's going to be. We hope to have a manual with descriptions on how to set things up and how to use things, and we're also going to have QR codes on each of those descriptions, and that'll take you to a video that will show you the same thing. So anyway, that's what's going on. That's why we've got this out here now. So one of our main goals is to get more people into camping. There are a ton of people into camping right now, but I know there are lots of families out there who are interested in trying it out, and maybe they just don't want to spend the money to buy a camper and see if it's going to work for them. So this is where we're hoping we can help out. So if you live in the area and you've always wanted to go camping in a camper, we can help you guys out. We are going to do delivery, and also if you want to tow it and you have towing experience and your vehicle can tow it, there will be a lot of questions about stuff like that. If you're able to tow it, then we're going to allow that as well, after lots of questioning. So I'll give you a sneak peek of it, but I will tell you, once we get it cleaned up really nicely and set up, we're going to do a full walkthrough. I'm going to show you the full outside and inside, and there will be tons of videos coming on this as far as like weights, and we can tow this with our Expedition. So we're going to do that. I'm going to give you my thoughts on going from a F350 to an Expedition, which I'm sure is going to be a huge difference. But anyway, here's a sneak preview of the 2509S Rockwood Mini Lite. All right, there you are. That's your sneak peek. Stay tuned for lots of videos on this trailer. If you have any questions about it, you want to see certain parts, let me know and I'll be glad to show you. Thank you guys for watching as always. If you haven't subscribed, please do that, and we'll catch you guys next time.